Umriang ba ukondra sangma plethu ba mentaka ski ka jelang jaka konhun menteri kala menjur ban Wanrah no daka Shillong urban mobility policy arja sao lengba kan ka policy umri rangba abe kan bigla patai ka bora dim balawa ka jelang jaka konhun menteri long ba kan penlong ya kan ba Shillong ka ba kalik kawan ki pai ba kan suk na tamban pen like lu ka jing khamnya jo kan ba Shillong na tamban sna jaka penyang kali bat ki kwe di kilat klenti ya ka ba kan ba Shillong kan like na ka jing khamnya Long kembalong mata kajing trekam pelaya shapranga kabakla. Aitanda ikambalai South Lee ki jaka penyang kali lan ki parking space. Susu ulang manakalang di Sorkar kathu ban leru kumju kan ka policy kambikan ba Shillong dakam ta part ki district headquarter ki udan hakajala.
And the last was regarding the approval of the Shillong Urban Mobility Policy 2024 was also cleared. Basically, this again is in line with the Government of India, where to ensure that the overall mobility in Shillong improves, a policy has to be created, and we have cleared that policy today. And this includes aspects of public transportation, creating more walking space, reducing the congestions, and creating parking spaces, so on and so forth. There are many other provisions. So this policy just gives an outline on how we will approach that, and this was cleared today by the cabinet. But most importantly, I would like to mention that both the amendment to the Meghalaya Building Bylaws 2021 and the Shillong Urban Mobility Policy 2024, these amendments and these particular policies have also been adopted with the intention of also ensuring that we are able to avail the special assistant on capital investment for urban areas. As you're aware, that Government of India has earmarked 15,000 crores for as special assistance for capital investment, especially for urban areas. And in that, there are certain guidelines that need to be followed, certain policies need to be created, certain homework to be done. So keeping all of those things in mind, all these things have been done. And I'm happy to inform you that out of the 15,000 crores, we have put in a proposal of 619 crores from Meghalaya's point of view. And we have already received approval for close to 500 crores out of this. And we're expecting another 100 crores to come in after these approvals and these amendments are done. So we are expecting that Meghalaya should receive 597 crores. But even if the 100 crores is still pending, we are expected to get 497, almost 500 crores from the Special Assistant on Capital Investment for Urban in this particular financial year. What is more important to note also is that even larger states like Uttar Pradesh and larger states like Assam also are receiving roughly about 500 crores, which is the same as what Meghalaya is expected to receive. So hence, we've been working very hard, and Urban Affairs Department has worked very hard. And as I said, we are able to get some additional funds for the overall development of Shillong and other urban areas. This is the same fund that will be utilized for things like the river front improvement that we had inaugurated the other day. We had laid the foundation stone the other day, some parking lots to be created, some walkways to be created. So on and so forth. We have put in a number of proposals for that also. So these were the basic decisions that were taken in the cabinet today.